even the community is basing on that.
In areas of Kasese district where intensive farming is practiced, schools continue to face challenges in terms of academic performance due to political influence, as stated by Mr. Baluku Wilson, the head teacher of Kabirizi Primary School in Bukonzo County East. He emphasizes that the lack of financial support from parents and more so the discontinuation of lunch provision at school.
Last year, we had Division 1, 0, Division 2, 2, Division 3, 6, Division 3, Division 4, 3, and graded were 7 and absent were 0. And the major factor was that it was not easy because some parents who had children were denied a chance to rent their land, because those people had some good performers of the children who could stay in the class, in the school. And at the end of the day, we are failing.
He requested government to increase UPE grants that would support the learners during studies.
We request government to increase UPE grants for funding school to enable us execute and mandate of running school activities to cause a positive impact for enhanced academic and infrastructural development than being demanding from parents.
The Assistant Chief Administrative Officer, Kasese District, Area Bobegumia, requested parents to increase their responsibility towards the education of their children.
Producing grade 1 is not really a sole responsibility of the headmaster. It is joint effort. Now, when I'm in Shaba, the parents,
Baluku Ronald Kurunji, the district councillor representing Kyarumba Town Council, suggested that there should be sensitization campaigns of parents about the importance of education.
On the question on how to have the enrollment increased, first of all, we need to effectively sensitize the parents to know the reason as to why they must have their children in school. Otherwise, if the parents do not know the reason as to why their children must be in school, there is no way these children will go to school.
While handing over the facility, the Managing Director, Platinum Credit Uganda, Albert Havasa, pledged to continue supporting schools that face natural calamities.
We will come back to check on how it's faring, and if the community has maintained the property very well, we will add in. We are careful not to throw things at them. We want to see the progress in terms of maintenance, in terms of progress in the education itself, and then we can add on.
Compiled by Xavier Baluku for Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8 in Kasese District.